Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry thick. Achieving a rich, satisfying consistency in your curry is easier than you think. We'll explore several simple yet effective methods, from using common kitchen ingredients to natural techniques. You'll learn how to transform a watery curry into a beautifully thick and flavorful dish, ensuring every spoonful is perfect. Let's get started on creating that ideal texture. One of the quickest ways to thicken curry is by using a starch slurry. For example, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a smooth mixture. Gradually pour this slurry into your simmering curry, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. The curry will begin to thicken almost immediately, giving you control over the final consistency. This method is fantastic for a last-minute fix. Beyond starches, many natural ingredients can thicken your curry while enhancing its flavor. Pureed vegetables, such as cooked potatoes, carrots, or lentils, blend seamlessly into the sauce, adding body and nutrients. Rich coconut milk or cream also contributes a luxurious thickness and creamy texture. Additionally, simply simmering your curry for a longer period allows the liquid to reduce naturally, concentrating the flavors and achieving a thicker consistency. To ensure your curry turns out perfectly, remember a few key tips. Always add any thickening agent gradually, allowing the curry to simmer and thicken before adding more. This gives you precise control over the final texture. After thickening, taste your curry and adjust seasonings as needed, as the added ingredients might subtly change the flavor profile. Finally, let your curry rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld and the sauce to set beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.